So, this class, I think in today's class we should see we would like to implement a program actually that is you know what is step, simple step, that's how step works actually. So the implementation of the step using linked list that that you have to
Screen visible, students?
implementation of the stack using linked list. So this is
No, it's not visible.
lab program. And for that, let me provide you in the chat box. Let me provide this function.
Now visible?
Yes, madam.
Okay. So we have discussed about cohesion and coupling in the previous classes. Okay. What is cohesion? That is the functional strength between two modules, and coupling, that is the degree of interaction. So we have discussed all these things, and we have discussed different types of cohesion. And remember, I have explained that to remember the order we have given the short form as FSC, P, T, L, then coincidental. So F is functional, sequential, communicational, procedural, temporal, logical, and coincidental. This is the order of cohesion. Okay. And in coupling also there are five types of coupling: content, common, control, then another one is data, and then data coupling, and the fifth one is temporal coupling. So all these different types of couplings were there. So now let's just do one numerical on cohesion and coupling. Okay. So see here, cohesion and coupling. So just see the figure and understand the question. Okay. So see here, the following the following figure represents axis graphs of two modules M1 and M2. So there are two modules M1 and M2. Okay. The filled circles represent methods and the unfilled circles represent attributes. That means these are the filled circles, and these white ones, this lower portion circles, are the unfilled circles. See, unfilled means white in color, so that's why it is representing the unfilled circles. Okay. So if method M is moved to module M2, that means see here you are having this module M1 and this is module M2. Okay. So in module M1, see there are four circles in the upper part and four circles in the lower part. Now it is saying that it is moving this circle, which is named as M, to this module M2. Earlier, module M2 was having four circles in the upper part and three circles in the lower part. Okay. Now this circle is moved from module M1 to module M2. Okay. So see here, if method M, so this is method M, is moved to module 2, keeping the attributes where they are, what can we say about the average cohesion and coupling between modules in the system of two modules? So what can we say? There is given four options, that is there is no change. Another one is average cohesion goes up but coupling is reduced. C option is average cohesion goes down and coupling also reduces. And the fourth one is average cohesion and coupling increases. So students, do you have any idea about this? Can you please write down what option do you feel that is the correct option in the chat box? Just see this and try to visualize and understand what is going on. And just, if you don't understand, even also you can give any wild guesses. So just write it down in the chat box. What will be according to you, what can be the correct answer?
basically the insertion at the end. The pop operation is basically insertion from the division from the end. These are the two things in the problem, and you have already done.
From this figure, what do you understand?
So this is the push and pop module I have posted it to you. You can actually now write the code. The main you have to actually call this operation to perform entire thing.
Don't know. Any guesses?
Okay.
I know you don't know, but still, just give any guesses. I'm going to explain the logic behind this.
Can you just try whether you are able to do it or not?
Among the four options, A, B, C, D.
This is to this.
So see this diagram, okay? So module M1 is having this methods, okay? In the upper part, it is having this methods. And module M2 is having like this. Okay, so there are connections. I'm not going to draw these connections. Now see, this method is moving from module 1 to module 2. So the final diagram will be like this. This is the M method which was there previously in the M1 module. This is M1 module and this is M2 module. Now this method M is moved here, okay? That means whenever whatever arrows it is having, it is present here, okay? So it will move here, okay? Just see this diagram. See this diagram. Here in the previous diagram, M is present in module 1. Now we are moving it to module 2, okay? We are moving it to module 2, okay? So see here, in the module 1, M is having 4 links. That is, M is related with this arrow to this module. M is related to this module with this arrow. M is related to this module and this module with these 2 outgoing arrows. Now, if you are shifting this circle here, that means all the arrows that are related with this module will be there, and all the arrows which will be related to module M1 will also be there, okay? So see here, that's why final diagram looks like this. We are shifting this M here and see this 2 outgoing arrows that is present in M2, it is there, and that is present in M1, we are connecting it like this, okay? So see here, so the correct answer will be no change. Why? Because see here, first understand coupling between two modules, we need to find it out. Coupling between two modules, that is M1 and M2, we are finding out. So first, how can we calculate? See, it is like number of external links by modules, number of modules. Number of external links by number of modules. So what are the number of external links? See, these two are the external links. In this module M1, all the links are internally connected, but only this module M is having external links with module M2. So see, number of links in module M2 is 2, and number of modules. How many number of modules are there? M1 and M2. So 2 modules are there. So 2 by 2 is equals to 1. So coupling between M1 and M2 is 1. Okay. Next, see how to find out cohesion. So cohesion of a module is the number of internal links by number of methods. Okay, number of internal links. So cohesion means we are finding cohesion means for this module, and for you remember the term cohesion and coupling. As I said, cohesion means interaction between your family members is called cohesion, and coupling means interaction with you and your neighbor. So see here, cohesion means this interaction, it is within the same module, so that's why this is cohesion. And coupling means interaction between two other modules, that is this module and this module interaction is called coupling. So see, coupling we have find out, that is for M1 and M2. Now it's time to find it out, the cohesion. So whenever we are finding out cohesion, see, cohesion of a module, that is we need to find out for module M1 and module M2. Okay, separately we need to find out. So for cohesion of module M1, we are finding out, that is total number of internal links by number of methods. So how many methods are there? Total number of methods is what? 4 methods are there. Okay, so that's why number of methods is 4, and internal links, just count the internal links in this module M1. So see here, this one is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So total 8 number of internal links are there in this module. So that's why see, it is cohesion of M1 is 8 by 4. Okay, that is equals to 2. Now if you are finding out cohesion of M2, M2 means again the same formula, that is number of internal links by number of methods. So how many internal links are present? Internal links, see here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, no, sorry. This one, see. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Total 6 internal links are present. Okay. So see here, 6 internal links. So cohesion of M2 is what? 6 and divided by 3. So total number of modules are what? 3 modules are there. So that's why 6 by 3. Okay. This is before moving, this is done before, whenever we are not moving this method to this module 2. Before whenever in the previous case we are counting the number of that coupling between coupling of M1 and M2. So that's why see here 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So total 8 number of links and 4 number of modules, and here total 6 number of links, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6 number of links and 3 number of modules. So after moving M to M2, now whenever we are moving this method M to this module M2, then what is happening? This is the final result we are getting. So now again, if we are counting the cohesion, for that it is same, that is number of external links, again it is 2, so that's why it is 2 by 2, that is 1. Okay, now if you are finding out cohesion of M1, now see the cohesion is what? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now 6 internal links are there. If you are removing this module to this, that means you are deleting these links. So that's why it is having 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 arrows. So total number of internal links is 6, and the result total number of modules is 6 by and total number of modules is 3. Okay, so that's why 6 by 3, that is equals to 2. Okay, now again see for module M2, if we are checking, so see how many number of internal links are there in module M2. So see here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So total number of internal links that is present in M2 is 8, and number of modules that are present is 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so see total number of modules is 4. So that's why 8 by 4, that is equal to 2. So before moving this method from here to here, we are getting cohesion is as 1, coupling for M2 is 2, and coupling is 1, cohesion of M1 is 2, cohesion of M2 is 2. And also after moving this method, we are getting coupling 1, cohesion of M1 2, and cohesion of M2 2. So see here, no change is happening. So that's why the correct option is there is no change. Is it clear, students? Is it clear? Any doubt? Because this kind of questions may come in your MCQ test. So that's why this is a very important question. Clear, students? Any doubt? Okay. Now see here, software engineering. Now another type of numerical is for COCOMO. Okay, so you have seen that we have already
ম্যাডাম
discussed.
ম্যাডাম 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 ম্যাডাম
হ্যাঁ বল।
হ্যাঁ ম্যাডাম ওই স্বপ্না ম্যাডামের আওয়াজ আসছে ব্যাকগ্রাউন্ড থেকে আমার জোরে।
আচ্ছা এক সেকেন্ড হোল্ড করো। এবার শুনতে পাচ্ছ? আর শোনা যাচ্ছে না তো? ঠিক আছে, রাখছি আমি। ঠিক আছে। So now software engineering numerical based on COCOMO, finding function point and maturity index. Okay, so COCOMO, just see here, this is an example. We have discussed the theory. Okay, now it's time to discuss about the numericals of COCOMO. So see, this is given that the question is like, assume the following regarding the development of a software system. Okay, so here the estimated lines of code for software system P is given 33,480 LOC. LOC, remember what is LOC? Lines of code. Okay, so it is already given in LOC. So, if it is instead, if it is given like KLOC, then we need to convert it to LOC, but it is already given, so there is no problem with this question. Next is given average productivity for P is 620 LOC per person month. Okay, 620 LOC per person month, remember. Next is number of software developers given is 6. Okay, average salary of a software developer is 50,000 per month. It is given. Now see, in the question it is given, if E, D and C are the estimated development cost effort in person months, and that is E is the estimated development effort, D is the estimated development time, and C is the estimated development cost. Okay, respectively. So time is in month, effort is in person month, and cost is in lakhs. So among these four options, which will be the correct answer? Okay, just try. If you don't understand, then I am going to explain. Just before that, just try, have a look at this question. These questions are very important. It will definitely come in your exam, as well as in your, whether you are giving giving MCQ test or offline exam. It is very important. So understand these concepts. These are simple mathematics. If you know maths properly, then you can easily solve this kind of questions. No formula or logic is required for solving this. Pure mathematics. Just try to understand this question, what it is saying. You need to find development effort, development time, and cost. That is effort, time, and cost. You need to calculate. So that's why EDC.
ম্যাডাম অপশন বি হবে 54 9 27।
কি বললো সুমন?
ম্যাম শুনুন, হ্যাঁ
Very good, very good. Okay, so see here, this is the correct answer. 54 9 and 27. Simple thing. See here, estimated lines of code is given, that is 33,480 LOC. Okay, average productivity is also given 620, and number of software developers 6, and average salary of a software developer is 50,000 per month. Okay, now first you need to calculate the effort. Okay, so if you are calculating the effort, then you can calculate, effort is what? Total work done, that is what? Estimated lines of code, how much it is given, divided by the average productivity. Okay, average productivity. So if your estimated lines of code is 33,480 and average productivity is 620, then if you divide 33,480 then divided by 620, you will be getting 54. So effort is done. Now after calculating the effort, you need to find out the time. Okay, so how you will find? See, development time is what? Effort, whatever effort you are getting, effort divided by number of team members. Okay, that is how many number of persons are included doing this work. So see here, effort is what? 54 we have calculated. Number of team members is what? 6 software developers are there, so that's why 54 by 6 is equals to 9. Okay, after that, see cost. So cost means what? You are given the total number of developers, that is 6. Okay, you have calculated how much time is required, and you know that for each developer it is taking 50,000. Okay, their salary is 50,000. That means from this you can easily calculate development cost, that is salary into total number of persons into the number of time, that is 50,000 into 6 into 9. So the answer is 27 lakhs. So 54, 9 and 27 is the correct answer. Students, anyone having any doubt? This is a very good question. This kind of questions will be asked in exam. Students, please ask if you have any doubt.
No, madam.
What about other students? Okay. So do one more example, okay? Just a second. Okay, do this question. Do this question.
Okay, you please carry on.
So the question is, a software project was estimated at 352 function points. That means it is given that
So you can mark.
estimation, total estimation is 352. Okay, let's just write it down.
Can you share the screen with me? Please. And if you can share, then you just give the
352
and then
function points.
if you are done with it, I will tell you.
Now,
Just
4-person team will be assigned to this project. So in this project, 4 persons are there. One is architect, one is programmer, sorry, two programmers, one architect and one tester. Okay, so let's just write. That means number of persons. Architect is what? Architect is 1. Programmer is what? Programmer, 2 programmers are there. So programmer 2 and tester is 1.
Yes.
Okay. Tester 1. So 4-person team is given. Now, suppose in the next line, all the salaries are given. That is, salary of architect is 80,000 per month, programmer is 60,000 per month, tester is 50,000 per month. Okay. Average productivity of the team. Average productivity is given 8 function point per month. Okay. 352 function point is given and average productivity is 8 function point. So which of the following represents the projected cost of the project? So among these 4 options, what will be the project cost? Just calculate. Do, then I will explain. Students, are you following?
Madam.
Okay, just do, try, at least try. Simple, pure maths.
You just maximize the console screen and give the input. Maximize the console screen. Yes. Yes, yes, yes. Top of the top after pop is 20, 20, 12. So 30 is a pop after. The 20 and 10 is there, then null is there. Okay, now you push anything, push it into this step. Okay, you push. Okay, before that, you do one thing, you pop all these 20 and 10, and then you just simulate your underflow condition.
What answer is coming, students? This is a very simple question.
Yes. No. But you have to English dynamic.
সুমন কি আসছে বলো?
English dynamic memory allocation. Okay, that's fine. But they
Just a second, students.
okay, because the underflow condition will be there. Because null is
Just a
there.
second, okay?
Seven five zero. Ma'am, 27 lakhs 50,000.
Yes. Very good. Very good. Simple maths. So see here, just for the students who have not understood this concept. So see here, it is given 80 salary of architect is 80,000 and only one architect is there. So that is 1 into 80,000, 1 into 80,000. So it is 80,000. Next is tester, programmer 60,000 salary and 2 programmers are there. So 2 into 60,000. So it is 1, 2, 0. Okay. Tester salary of tester is 50,000. So 1 into 50. So it's 50,000. So if you sum it up, you will be getting like so 250. Okay. 25. So you are getting like this. This is the total cost for this four team members. Okay. Now you are given 352 function points. You are already given, and average productivity for the team is given 8 function point per person. Per person it is given. That means for 4 person it will be 8 into 4. Okay, 8 into 4 it will be. And if you are divide 8 into 4, and how many function points are there? 352. So it will be like 352 by 8 into 4. Now you need to just whatever you will be getting, like 352 divided by 8 into 4. What it is like it is 11. Okay. So now you need to do the multiplication with this. So you will be getting the answer 275,000. This is the answer. This is the correct option. 275,000. Okay. So this kind of questions will come in exam. So in the next class, I will be discussing some more numericals of software engineering regarding this COCOMO function point and maturity index. So I hope you like this class, and in the next class we will be discussing just go through these questions. If you feel any doubt, you can ask me in the next class, and we will continue some more advanced concepts regarding this logic. So any students, any doubt from any corner? Any doubt?
No, madam. No.
Okay, fine. So tomorrow we are having our class from 10. So we will be discussing these things in tomorrow's class. So with this note, I'm closing this session. So now you can leave the class. So thank you.
Thank you, madam.
Yes.
Thank you, madam.